that involves practicing yoga outdoors, in natural settings such as forests, beaches, or parks. Practicing yoga in nature can enhance the overall experience by providing a peaceful and grounding environment to connect with the surrounding elements. There are numerous benefits to practicing nature yoga, including 1. Increased mindfulness. Being in nature helps to center and ground oneself, making it easier to focus on the present moment during yoga practice. 2. Stress reduction. The serenity of natural surroundings can help to calm the mind and reduce stress levels, allowing for a deeper yoga practice. 3. Connection to the earth. Practicing yoga in nature allows for a deeper connection to the earth and the elements, fostering a sense of unity and harmony with the natural world. 4. Vitamin D exposure. Practicing yoga outdoors provides exposure to natural sunlight, which can boost mood and energy levels. 5. Fresh air. Breathing in fresh, clean air while practicing yoga can enhance lung capacity and overall well-being. Overall, nature yoga can be a rejuvenating and uplifting experience, as it allows practitioners to connect with the natural world and benefit from its healing properties. If you have the opportunity, try taking your yoga practice outside and see how it enhances your overall well-being.